morning. Today I am going to speak about the glimpses which I have got from some of the books which I have explored. First of all, I am going to speak about the glimpses which I have got from the book Life's Amazing Secrets. Guru Gopal Das is one of the most popular and sought after monks and life coaches in the world, having shared his wisdom with millions. His debut book Life's Amazing Secrets distills his experiences and lessons about life into a light-hearted, thought-provoking book that will help us align ourselves with the life we want to live. Now I am going to speak about the glimpses which I have got from the few books of Preeti Shenoy. I have read 10 books of Preeti Shenoy. She is one of my favorite authors. Preeti Shenoy is one of the top 5 highest selling authors in India. Her books have been translated into several languages. Having written on varied themes and life experiences, she is also on the Forbes long list of the most influential celebrities in India. Her recent book, Love a Little Stronger, is a collection of small incidents which occur in the life of Preeti Shenoy. Now I am going to speak about another book which I have explored. The name of the book is The Wings of Fire. It is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. It is the autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. In this book, he is telling about his life and the birth of his missiles such as Prithvi, Agni, etc. Now I am going to speak about a series of books. The series is known as Harry Potter series. In this series, there are 8 books. First book of Harry Potter is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. In this book, Harry Potter is discovering that his parents are wizards and he is also a wizard. In this book, he is finding a stone named Sorcerer's Stone with his best friends Ron and Hermione. Second book of Harry Potter series is Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. In this book, a chamber is opened in the Hogwarts School of Wizardry and it's a very dangerous chamber. He is going to this chamber to help his friend to rescue from there. His friend name is Ginny and he is Harry's lover and Ron's sister. Third book of Harry Potter series is The Prisoner of Azkaban. In this book, he is finding that he is having a godfather named Sirius. His godfather was in prison for several years. The fourth book of Harry Potter is Harry Potter and the Triwizard Tournament. In this book, a tournament is occurring in the Hogwarts School and he is forced to participate in this tournament, which has 4 levels, which is very dangerous. In these 4 levels, Harry is becoming the winner. In this book, the Dark Lord is rebirthing with Harry's blood. Fifth book of Harry Potter series is Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. In this book, Harry is forming an army with his friends against the Dark Lord. In this book, Harry's godfather, Sirius, is being dead. Sixth book of Harry Potter series is Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. In this book, he is getting a book of the Half-Blood Prince and he is getting curious to find out who is this Half-Blood Prince. At last, in this book, he is finding that the Half-Blood Prince is a professor in the Hogwarts School, Professor Snape. And in this book, great wizard and the great professor in the Hogwarts School is being dead. The name of this professor is Albus Dumbledore. Now, the 7th book of Harry Potter is Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. In this book, Harry Potter is discovering the Horcruxes and destroying it. Now, I am moving to the 8th book of Harry Potter series. The name of the book is Harry Potter the Cursed Child. This book is actually a screenplay. This book is about Harry Potter's son, Albus Severus Potter. Now I am concluding the glimpses which I have got from all the books which I have explored. Thank you.